Thought that's what occurred last night in that 7-minute stretch.
Exactly, it did. And, you know, if you're up that much, you definitely don't want to lose.
Little one-legged runner spins out. Doncic on the push and the pull-up. Irving inside, quick hand to Jones, poked the three, but Irving gathers on a redirect. Corner three for Washington, leaves that one short. Quick release, Booker racing to the basket. Klay Thompson drives across the midcourt stripe and lets one fly. KD will do the same. Drops it in the face of Gafford.
Will ever get to his jumper. He gets the best look at the rim of any player in the league.
But already through 2+ games as Thompson rattles in the 18-footer with that three-point shot early in the offense.
Well, again, Mike Budenholzer wants his team to shoot a ton of threes.
Booker got Thompson on his hip, finds Jones behind the stripe. Down lows the three. Suns have hit 5 straight. Kyrie Irving squeezes one past Nurkic.
Yeah, so you got to put a body on him.
He's a lot more likely. Booker able to get to that sweet spot. Knocks down the free throw line extended jumper.
And I happen to like it.
2 on the shot clock. Booker with a tough contested shot there. Thompson in his shooting space. The shot clock winding down. Doncic. Easy scoop and score. Suns playing a third game in 4 nights for the Spurs. They played, or the Mavs, they played the Spurs third tonight. And rolling here yesterday is lively. I'm positive there was a bad word or two. Irving behind the stripe, downloads a triple. Plumlee the quick closeout. Irving floats it over the top to Lively. When we saw them do that with so much success in their run to the finals. They get the second quarter here for Jason Kidd's Mavs. 5 on the shot clock here. Grant working on Cleveland. Able to get the left hand. Leans back, fires. The 18-footer just unstoppable.
That's the great thing about KD. Just make the guy chase. That's it. You don't have to get a body on him. Make him chase. All they need is an inch.
Doncic driving inside. Just using that big, strong body. 6'7". 11-2 Phoenix run. Doncic tries to respond, and he 18 points to lead all scores. KD with 11. Won't get that. A guy like Luka Doncic, and he brings a different set of offensive tools. Jones on the drive to drop off. 5 on a shot clock. Nurk. Pretty spin inside. You're the weight room concierge. Cleveland on the cut. Spins a pass out to Marshall. 5 on the shot clock. Tied up. Good on ball defense by Booker. But Cleveland 1 of 2 on that trip for Nurk. There's 4 points last night. 7 rebounds. Only 18 minutes. P.J. Washington rattles in the 3. But once P.J. Washington got to Dallas, it was much like what Mike Budenholzer is doing here as Irving finds himself wide open.
That should never happen. That's a mix-up galore.
Jones fighting through multiple screens, trying to stay attached to Irving. And he gets that shooter's touch, so back-to-back buckets. Irving just trying to bowl his way across the lane past Tyus Jones, and another 3-point hit from Klay Thompson.
Can't go to sleep. Not double. He's got to continue to do it. Well, and be alert that they will double in this. They got to get up on that one. Again, I was so afraid.
Lean in and muscle it up. That's his first made field goal.
Nice touch to the hoop. I think he'd go back for it on that. He went right over the top.
Book runs up the screen, finds Dunn from the corner. Splash down.
What do you do when a guy's guarding you? He sticks his face into your area where you got to turn to shoot.
Right.
I just don't know how you can go away from it.
Doncic with a step back 3 over the rookie Dunn. Inbound to Thompson. Gets rid of it quickly. And a little tic-tac-toe inside. Sets up Irving for an easy 2. Biggest lead's been 13. Irving on the cut. Drops it off to Gafford, who hammers it down.
beat the Suns by himself. Right, so, you know, I think you got to keep Kyrie in check.
Up ahead, Dunn brings the boom. O'Neal looking for an offensive foul on the screen from Lively. KD tees up the triple, and down it goes. Timeout. Dallas across to Morris on the drive. O'Neal. Touch pass. Durant on the drive. Baseline pull-up. Suns defense have forced the Mavericks into missing their last 7 straight. Doncic trying to change that, and he does. An easy red carpet run to the rim. You love the hustle there from Moise O'Neal.
Yeah, I just want the Suns to get to the point where they're finishing quarters, right? And I think if anything, you look back at the first 2 games.
Suns bench has outscored the Mavs bench 19-7. Here's Irving. Gets to that right hand. Drives inside. Tough scoop and finish. Racing up ahead. Floats it up and in. That leaves 3.9. Irving. Wheel to the basket. Drops it off. Blocked by O'Neal. Rebound Gafford. Irving. Tough pass to Thompson. Finds the trailing Irving. And gets a left-hand lay-in. +1. Booker on the drive. Kicks it to Dunn. Extra pass, Morris. He'll take the 15-footer. Irving working off the screen, able to get Jones on his hip. Irving just trying to create some shooting space and able to do so.
I think Tyus Jones kind of relaxed on that.
And the rookie in his first official NBA start has 13.
I love the fact Suns giving the ball to Tyus Jones early on in that shot clock.
KD, boom! Recovery by Lively. Sidestep look for Thompson, won't get it. O'Neal up ahead to KD. Durant with the finish and the foul. Over 29,000 for KD. Doncic trying to shake the defense of Dunn and leans in and will get the and one. Durant switching out on him. Works up the Thompson screen. Got a wide open look again. Back tap, reload for Thompson.
Tyus Jones needs to look. They're going to keep not helping out for them. You got to look at the rim himself as well.
KD rising up over Doncic. And he says,
not helping out for them. You got to look at the rim himself as well.
KD rising up over Doncic. And he says, nothing I can do about that. Here is Irving. Jones trying to stay in his shooting space. Lost the pass, but gathers inside. Quickly to Marshall.
Right.
Last season and a half.
So it's a huge win. It's more of a huge win for the Suns than it is for the Mavericks in this situation. They needed that, but to do it short-handed